I'm replacing a front turn signal bulb on this Ford F150. It's the same for the driver's side and passenger side. You don't have to take the wheel off. I mostly did this for getting a camera in there, but it did make the job quite easy and gave me plenty of space to do it. So you want to pull back the inner fender well liner to get access to the back side of the headlamp assembly by taking out those three 7/32 head screws. And then I went ahead and wire tied mine to the tie rod end to keep from fighting it while I was working on it. And the turn signal bulb is found in between the high beam, the low beam, and it's right there in the middle. You just grab a hold of the connector without disconnecting it and rotate it counterclockwise a portion of a turn, and then you just pull the 7444 NA bulb out of the socket and grab a new one and put it in. I'm using gloves. You could use a plastic bag or something with your hand inside a plastic bag to keep yourself from getting your oily fingerprints on the bulb itself, to prevent a hot spot on this mini bulb. It's a high heat bulb, and so then you just rotate it in a turn again just like you took it out, except clockwise this time. Check your work and then put it all back together. That's all there is to doing a front bulb. I hope you found that useful and it helps you out in your job. Appreciate you watching, and I hope you like and subscribe.